Hello, my name is Ben Akban, and I want to walk you through my workflow. Okay, so I created this workflow for a client, all right, a CRM workflow, onboarding workflow for a client, and then I just want to just quickly walk you through it. Now we have this space name called client CRM. Okay, now under the client CRM, we have lead management. Okay, then in this lead management as a folder, we have a list called lead form. All right, and in the uh, and then also we have lost leads. Okay, now if I open here, we have an intake form. We have a form that clients must fill, all right, to give us that information when we are onboarding the client. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly just show you the form. So here is the form. Okay, this is the lead form. This is the form that the clients have to fill and then give us their details. Now this form is extremely important in onboarding, all right, because it's information that is imputed by the clients, all right. So we are not the one imputing this information, so the client is the one. So we have first name, we have like all of those things, that all of those metrics that is expected, is that is very important, and the client give it to us. Then from here, once the client fills the form, it goes into our list, all right, also known as the lead. Now in this lead, I created an automation, and there's a lot of things, a lot of data here, a whole lot of data, a whole lot and lot of data. Now here I created automation, and that shows that when it when there are a lot of things in which I cannot really go into because of the time constraint, but most importantly, once we have a client have successfully make payments, all right, we create an automation that move them from this list to the onboarded list. It shows that because these are the clients, these are prospects. I'll call them prospects. Now, once they become a client, that means that payment has been made, payment has been confirmed. They automatically move from this list to our boarded lists. Okay. Now, automation are created using status or custom field. All right. For the automation that move client or prospect from this list to the boarded list, we actually use status. All right. So now here, once once the status changes to complete. So before, let me show you the name here. We have Sophia here, all right? Sophia Bennett. So once we click here and then change the status, we have the different status. We have discovery call, have proposal sent, follow up, proposal approved, payment received, and then we have complete. Once we click on complete, and it shows that the client have made payments, and every other process has been followed automatically via our automation. That information, that lead move to boarded. All right, now we have the onboarding list, and then we have here the boarded. Okay, so I'm going to open it, and then we search for the name Sophia here. Okay, so we have Sophia here. All right. Now, Sophia here, we create an automation that shows that once a lead comes in here, a template is added. There's a whole lot, right? So you can see the name here, you can see the email address, and then the company that Sophia represents. All right. So there's a whole lot. I'm so excited about See You. That's ClickUp. ClickUp has a lot of features, a lot of tons and tons of features that makes it so really good. So see you in my next video. Bye.